how to make an image transparent in Google Slides. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make an image transparent in Google Slides. So let's go. The first step is to open your Google Slides presentation, okay? And so once you've opened it and you're on the presentation page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see all of your slides, okay? Then the next step would be for you to select the slide whose image you would like to make transparent. So I'll be working with the second slide. And so this is my image here. All right, so I'll just select the image. After selecting the image, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the format options button and click on it. So after clicking on the format option button, by the right side of the screen, you will see a panel showcasing options under the format options, which includes size and rotation, position, recolor, adjustment, drop shadow, reflection. So click on adjustment. And so under adjustments, you'll see options like opacity, brightness, contrast. So just move to opacity. You can decide to work with this to resize this particular line, or you could just resize it by clicking on the 100% box here and type out the exact percent that you want it to have. And then you can just click on 0, and then once you click on 0, the image will be made transparent. But if you want it to just be slightly transparent, you could just make it like 50. All right, 50 transparency, 32. But if you do not want it to appear at all, you can just reduce it completely this way, and then the image would be transparent. As you can see, no one would even know that an image used to be there. So this is how you can reduce, or you can make an image transparent in Google Slides. I am sure this tutorial has helped you, so ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Thank you.